there, welcome back. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. I feel awkward. It's been a while since I sat down and filmed a video. Probably that's why, so please don't mind me. As I said, I feel pretty awkward. Yeah, so today's video is my Lookfantastic December, and I cannot believe this year is gone. Like 2019 is gone forever. A whole decade is gone. Like, isn't that crazy? Like a whole decade. I feel like I'm saying wrong this word. Anyway, 10 years have passed. I told you guys I feel awkward, but are you ready for 2020? Because I'm not. For sure I'm not. Anyway, let's get into this unboxing. And actually today's video is a little bit more different, more special, because I decided that I want to give away my December Lookfantastic. I already know what's inside in the box. I'm going to open to show you guys what you are going to win. If you want to enter this giveaway, I just showed you my shipping address. Yeah. So as I said, I already know what's inside in this month box because I saw some sneak peeks online, and I want to give it away. So if you guys want to enter this giveaway, just read the description box because I'm going to put all the details down below. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to open this very carefully, because if I can, I will ship it in this Lookfantastic box, like the original box. I showed you again how speed I am. Anyway, let's open this, okay? Oh my god, as I said, I'm not ready for 2020. I feel like I don't know what, I'm all over the place. I'm sorry. I just wanted to film this video today because I want to do this giveaway, to ship it as fast as possible, because you know Christmas is very close. Holidays are like here already, and I'm sorry you guys, I haven't been very active on my channel. I still have a few videos to edit, but zero time to actually edit the videos because I did pre-filmed. I cannot open this box without ripping this. So as I said, I have like zero time to edit. Okay, so I couldn't open this without ripping the box, but it's okay. I'm going to make it work. Okay, so this is how the box looks this month, and it's pretty heavy. I think this has like 2 kilos because it's pretty heavy. Oh, so we have a coupon code. It says Bon Appetit. Oh, it's a gift card. 2 weeks free. Treat your dog this Christmas. Oh, so you are going to get this inside as well. Alright, so this is how the box looks like. It's very pretty, very festive. I like it. Let's see what's inside, and I'm going to try to open this carefully. Wow, I really like the colors. It says, "At Christmas, all roads lead home." That's so very true. Okay, so we have the info card. Then we have the Elle magazine. And who is this beauty? Katie Holmes. Okay, this is the Elle magazine UK. Okay. And look how beautiful this is wrapped. I'm going to try to open this very carefully, as I said. Let's see if I can do that. I did it! Look. Yeah. I'm a professional. Just kidding. This is how the box looks like this month. We have some goodies. Okay, so I'm going to open the products to show you how they look, but I'm not gonna dig my fingers in there. Like, I'm not gonna do swatches or whatever, because that's not how you do it. But I'm still going to open them. And this is how the info magazine looks, and this is the Christmas edition. Okay, let's start with this Sleek Eye Divine eyeshadow palette. This is the Au Naturel. Where my scissors? I need my scissors. The colors are very natural, everyday eyeshadows. It looks very smoky to me, and they do have name on top of this plastic thing, but this is how they look. Very smoky, as I said, very cute, so perfect for, you know, holidays. So as I said, I'm not gonna touch them. I'm going to put this back inside his letter box sleeve. So obviously this is a full-size eyeshadow palette. This is £8.99, and it says shade may vary, so I guess they have other options, other colors, but this is the Au Natural, Oh So Special, or Good Night Sweetheart. Oh, okay, I get it now. So you can get the Au Natural, Oh So Special, or Good Night Sweetheart. So they included 3 options. I got the Au Natural. So yeah, this is the first product. Next we have some Allure. I don't know how to say this brand, but these are some very natural lashes, in my opinion. It says Fluttery Light and wispy. It comes with a mini glue. I think they are very natural, very similar to the Ardell Wispies or Demi Wispies. Very similar. Reusable 5 wears. Oh, that's nice. Let's see how much this is. Okay, so this is £5.06, and wow, I think they are so natural and very beginner friendly. So yeah, nice. Okay, next we have 6 products in this month. Next we have a mini eyeliner. This is from Ico London. I do have this, or I had this. This is the travel edition or travel size, and I need my tweezers to open this. Okay, and this is how it looks. Is the travel size, as I said. Black Magic. Yes, I did have this. And this is how the tip looks like. Very pointy. You can be very precise with this. This is £9 and it has 4 milliliters. It says liquid eyeliner, wide lash. What? Okay, we have 3 more products. I'm going to go with this jar. This is the Prey Platinum Firm and Lift Cream. This retails for £9 and it has 10 milliliters, and it says rediscover youthful looking skin with the Prey Platinum Firm and Lift Cream, a redefining facial moisturizer infused with firming platinum, whatever that is, rich in antioxidants. This anti-aging moisturizer intensely hydrates skin with defending against free radicals. Skin looks smoother, younger, and with fresher, firmer appearance. Wow. This is how it looks. I'm going to smell it, if you don't mind, because you know I like to smell things. Wow, smells good. I'm a little bit jealous because I'm going to send this to you, but I'm jealous in a good way, you know. So as I said, this retails for £9. Very interesting. I haven't heard of this brand. Pry Platinum. Wow. So next I'm going to go with this Real Chemistry Luminous 3 Minutes Peel for instantly smoother, brighter, softer skin. So this is a mask. Oh, this is not a mask, it says. The peel is a clear gel. I cannot talk today. Peel upper half on face and then start over and peel lower half of face. Huh? Okay, so this is £19.99 and this has 20 milliliters and it says get party prepped skin by refining the complexion with Real Chemistry Luminous 3 Minute Peel. And it's not sealed. I'm sorry you guys, I'm going to smell this. It doesn't smell, so it's like a clear gel, if you guys can see that. I'm going to put the cap now. So as I said, this is the most expensive item so far. £19.88 or pennies. Anyway, this is like 22 euros. This little guy, 20. Real Chemistry, never heard of this brand. Okay you guys, and this is the last product we got in this December box, and this is the Bumble and Bumble. I heard of this brand and it's a little bit expensive, not gonna lie. What is going on? My battery is like dying and it was like full. Anyway, this is the Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. Doesn't look like an oil to me, to be completely honest. So this retails for £5 and it has 30 milliliters. I'm going to smell it. I'm sorry. Wow! Oh my god, it smells like candies. I don't know, something sweet. It smells sweet. So I'm going to put everything back inside. As I said, please read the description bar because I'm going to have all the info down below how to enter this giveaway. But I want to ship this giveaway on December 20. Okay, so you will have like a few days to enter this giveaway. I'm going to randomly pick someone from the comments. You just have to be subscribed and comment down below when you're done, and please leave me your email address or your Instagram, and I'm going to pick someone, like as I said, randomly. Okay, so I guess that's it for today's video. Again, please read the description bar because I'm going to have all the info down below. And happy holidays you guys. I miss you so much and I really want to be back with my normal schedule, you know. Posting 3 videos a week was my dream. Like I really enjoyed that. It's very hard to stay consistent. Now I'm working. My work schedule is annoying, so I don't have that much free time in my hands to film and to edit, and yeah, that's that. I hope I will be back soon with more videos on my channel. So thank you so much for your support. Happy holidays, happy new year, and I wish you all the best in this new year. I'm sending you positive energy, good vibes, you know, all that good stuff. And please you guys, be kind with one another. You have no idea how you can make someone's day by saying something nice like, hi, your hair looks good, or whatever. Please be kind, take care, have fun, and set a goal for this new year. You can set a goal every day, it doesn't have to be a new year, but you know, new year, fresh start, that's how the mind works, I guess. My goal for this year, I mean, this always was my goal, and it's still my goal. My goal is to spread positive energy whenever I go. Like, I want the person who meets me, even if it's for like 5 minutes, I want that person to receive good energy and good vibes from me. You know what I'm saying? So this is my goal. This was forever my goal, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like whenever I go, I'm trying to stay positive, kind. I feel like I'm rambling too much. As I said, I feel awkward in the beginning of this video. I said I feel awkward. But yeah, I'm sending you positive energy. Stay positive, be kind, and take care. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. I don't know when my next video will be. As I said, I do have some pre-filmed videos. But yeah, I feel like I rambled a lot in this video because I haven't seen you guys in a while, and I feel like I want to talk to you. I want to, you know, chit chat. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please enter my giveaway. Again, happy holidays, happy new year, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Dancing with somebody. Thanks God you can see that. Alright, we are going somewhere. Like, they put hella glue in here.